Want to stream Hulu on more than one device? Here's a quick step-by-step guide to help you get started. Step 1. Check your Hulu plan. Hulu with ads and Hulu no ads. One device at a time. Hulu Plus, live TV, up to 2 devices at once. Make sure your plan supports multiple streams. Step 2. Sign in. Open the Hulu app or website. Click Sign in and enter your email password. Step 3. Install the Hulu app. Download the Hulu app on your devices: mobile, iOS or Android smart TVs and streaming devices, Roku, Apple TV, Fire Stick, etc. Web browser, go to hulu.com. Step 4. Manage devices. Go to account settings on the Hulu website. Select Manage devices to view and remove any devices. Step 5. Start streaming. You're all set. Stream on your phone, tablet, TV, or computer. Just make sure you're within your plan's device limit. Conclusion: enjoy Hulu on multiple devices with ease. Just sign in, manage your devices, and start streaming. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick guides.